Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your name in Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing your name in Mobile Legends is easy. From the main dashboard of the app, tap your profile icon from the top left of the screen. On your profile page, tap your current flag. You can now choose your new name. You are allowed to change your name once for free only. If you have already changed it before, you will need to purchase a name change card from the shop and then use it there. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks. Hello?